Welcome, Info is an HONOR Magic7 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. And before I get started, I'm also going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lag if you have one set that you just don't know. So, with that out of the way, all you will need to do is just hold your power button and select power off. And when the device turns off, you will then hold the power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment, you will see the HONOR logo on the screen, at which point you will let go of the power button. And when the logo disappears, you can then also let go of the volume up. Next, select Clear Data, and then Factory Reset. This only presents you with this message right here that you need to type in yes as a confirmation, so type that in and select Factory Reset. This will then begin factory resetting all the data, and I believe it only gets like 20% or so, and it automatically becomes finished. Oh, 15. So once it's finished, we're going to select Back, Restart, and this will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now this will take the device a little bit longer than it normally does to boot up, so just be patient. In like 2 minutes we should be finished, and we should have setup screen visible on our screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.